What's going on YouTube, Geoson right here. In today's video we're discussing about TrollFools, an application that allows you to inject tweaks into essentially any app installed via TrollStore or otherwise. So we're going to check it out in a few seconds. This video is brought to you by 8ksec. They provide great trainings for those of you who want to become security researchers on iOS. They do have the offensive iOS security course over here where they teach you everything you need to know to be able to make your own jailbreak. Learn about the kernel, the security techniques like the sandbox and so on. Definitely check it out in the link below. So as you probably know, TrollStore is quite powerful and it's a tool that allows you to install TIPA files, which are applications, but with extra permissions because TrollStore does run with a higher level of privileges. So this way you can install essentially tweaks made for TrollStore that can have a lot of privileges on the system, kind of like a jailbreak. One of those tweaks is TrollFools, an application that is installed via TrollStore and allows you to have tweak injection, just like a jailbreak would, in your TrollStore applications or even user applications. So if you don't know how to install TrollStore, I do have a full guide over here on iDeviceCentral.com on how to install it for iOS 17 as well as how to install it on other versions like iOS 16 because there are different methods to do so. Now the TrollFools has been updated 8 hours ago. It fixed a bug that caused the injection to fail when the previous injection was not successful. The TIPA files are available over here and I'm going to show it on the device. So this is how TrollFools work. It's actually quite simple. You install it via TrollStore. So as you can see here in TrollStore, I do have TrollFools available over here. And once you have it installed, it provides a list of applications, the TrollStore applications, as well as the user applications, so what you installed from the App Store, but then also the injectable system applications, so these in here. You go to the desired application, for example, Firefox over here, and you have two buttons, inject and eject. So if you tap on it, you can select a dialib file, so a tweak. I'm going to tap one and say open, and that's it. We're going to go into this. You can view the log, and that's exactly what it takes to get the tweak to go. Now, as you can see, it did everything in the background, and once it completes, you can essentially just tap this back and that's it. Now, if you want to remove a tweak from an app, you go here into the app and go to eject, and of course, eject all. So that's essentially it. That's how it works. It's a simple tweak injection mechanism for TrollStore. This way, you don't need any fancy jailbreak to do your injection, and you can do it per application. So that's quite great. Thank you for watching. That's basically it. Till the next time, subscribe to stay updated and peace out.